Welcome dear students. Till now we have placed our footprints on the places where we find that we can easily route our tracks. Now another thing we are going today is that we are going to use x and y coordinates to draw our board sides or place our components. The first thing we should know is about the origin of the x and y coordinates. So in order to know that where our origin that are, I can tell you where that is, but just for the sake of argument, let me send this C101 to the 00 origin, or the where x is equal to 0, y coordinate is equal to 0. So I select this component C101, hit E, and its properties panel will pop up. So you see here position is x is 144.205 mm, y is 42.22 mm. So let me enter over here 0 mm and y 0 mm. So I have entered 00 position for this capacitor. So if I hit OK, this capacitor has jumped to the 00 origin of our PCB or of our PCB editor. So here is the 00 where this capacitor is now present. Now you can see over here that x and y coordinates. This x and y is the position of my cursor. You keep an eye over here. As I move my cursor over the screen, the x and y coordinates change. So let's check on which side x is positive, on which side x is negative. Similarly, on which side y is positive and y is negative. If I move my cursor to the bottom right side, my x and y both are positive, and if I move on the top right side, my x is positive, y is negative. Similarly, if I move on the left top side of my origin, then x and y both are negative. If I move on the left bottom side, then my x is negative, y is positive. So you have to keep in mind that every component has an x and y position. That x and y position is using the reference of 00 origin. So I hit Ctrl Z to move my capacitor back. Hope you have understood the coordinate system of the PCB editor. Now why I am telling you this is because I am going to use x and y position to straighten these lines. You see that these lines are not straight, or overall the boundaries of my PCB are not symmetrical. They are little bent from the one side, and they are not looking very symmetrical. So in order to draw our lines straight, you first of all select any of this line. I am going to select this line and hit E, and properties of this line segment pops up. In this property window, what you have seen that this line has a length in the y dimension, so the x coordinates of start and end point should be the same. So over here you see that start point is 173.03 while the end point is 173.56. So if I remove this little difference 03, you will see my line will become straight as I hit OK. Now I hit OK, and you see that my line is now straight. Similarly, this line, which is the horizontal line, this should have y coordinates the same. Here the y coordinates of start and end points are different, so I will enter 37.16 mm and hit OK. This will draw a straight line. Similarly, I am going to choose the left edge cut layer line, and this should have the x-axis x coordinate the same 135.92 mm and hit OK. Similarly, this bottom line, hit E. This should have the y coordinates the same. There is a very little difference. If you manufacture this PC with the similar dimensions, physically this won't look much very different. This will be a very negligible difference, but we have to make things very accurate. So hit OK and this line is straight. Now doing this, a problem has arisen that my edge cut layer is not a closed in a closed loop, that these lines should coincide with one another. So what I do it, I select over this line and just move this line little down. You see, when a circle appears, it means that both the lines have joined together. I leave it over here and this corner is now joined. Both the lines are joined and made a corner. Similarly, I select this line and move this line over here. A circle appears, which means that both the lines are now joined. And the bottom two corners, let's make little correction on the bottom two corners. On the left corner, you see over here, I move it over here and now this is joined. These are now straight lines. So this line, let's join over here. Now let's zoom to fit. Now you see we have a perfect rectangular shape. Now another thing is that the boundary of distance between the boundary and J101 is less as compared to the distance between J103 boundary connector and its boundary. So let's drag this line a little inside so that our PCB should look symmetrical. I think this is enough. So let's join the corners. Hold over here, drag over here, our corners are now joined. Now let's join the left side of the corners. Let's make a correction, click over here, and now so we have drawn our outer boundaries, which are now quite looking symmetrical. So let's control save, check in 3D viewer, and this is our PCB. Now another thing is, if I manufacture this PCB and use in my project or insert in the breadboard, this PCB will cover 1, 2 and till 3 columns of my breadboard. So in order to use this section 1 and 2, 3 column of my breadboard, what I need to do is I want to remove this section of my PCB. So in order to do that, let's go to PCB editor. First of all, let's remove this line, select this line, and you can also hit delete or click delete. This line will be removed. Then on the layers section, go to edge cut layer and draw a line. Click over here, and over here when a circle appears, click over here, then try to make a straight line. Okay, this is a little straight line. Click over here, move inside a little more over here. I think this is sufficient. Click over here, then a little down, make a straight line. You can also make a straight line by entering the coordinates. Click over there and try to make over here a straight line like this, then join it over here. Now we have, let's make it little straight. First of all, let's draw this straight line. Okay, now join this line with this one. Now one thing I just came to that the gap between this is more than this, so in order to make symmetry, let's select this and take this little over here and move this over here. First of all, move this line, let's make this straight line. Okay, now join this line with this and this line with this. Now our PC will look a little symmetrical. Let's also remove this line which I have drawn to just align my both of the connectors. Select this line and delete. Now hit Control Save and let's check in 3D view how our PCB looks. So this is what I was saying, that I have removed the PCB between both the connectors. So when I connect this or insert this in my breadboard, I can also use my 1, 2, 3 column section of my breadboard. So hope you have understood how you can use X and Y coordinates to draw a edge cut, or even you can also draw the entire PCB using X and Y coordinates, the start and end point of the lines. And we have also removed PCB that was covering the few section of our breadboard. So in the next video we will be adding tracks